Now after the Sabbath, as the first day of the week began to dawn, Mary Magdalene and the other Mary came to see the tomb. And behold, there was a great earthquake, for an angel of the Lord descended from heaven and came and rolled back the stone from the door and sat on it. His countenance was like lightning, and his clothing as white as snow. And the guards shook for fear of him and became like dead men. But the angel answered and said unto the women, Do not be afraid, for I know you seek Jesus who was crucified. He is not here, for he is risen, as he said. Come, see the place where the Lord lay, and go quickly and tell his disciples that he is risen from the dead. Happy Easter, guys. This is what I believe. This has been a life-changing thing for me for many years. Amanda and I hope that each of you, with your families, have an awesome Easter Sunday. And it is my sincerest hope that you come to know in him whom to know is life eternal. God bless. Have a great Easter, guys. See you in the next video.